I'm going to show you a quick clip of how to scarify some seeds. Not all seeds need it. Some do. Now this is lupin Russell. Now lupins need to be soaked overnight. 2, 4, 6. I'm going to do one more. Now some seeds need to be soaked for a couple of days. Some need to be soaked for 12 hours before 12 hours in warm water. Some need nicking, some need a little bit of a rub in some sandpaper, whatever. These are lupin Russell. These need soaking overnight. Now, I do have some water here, which I've just emptied a little bit out of because it's a little bit too much. Now, here are my seeds. Now, I've got 8. Now, I'm going to put 4 straight in the water. Like that. Be careful. Please, please ask an adult to do this and use a more sensible knife. I can't because they're all in the wash because I'm lazy. I've got 4 here that I'm going to nick with a knife. So make sure you've got the seed still and literally with the point of a knife, just press down. And I want to show you if the camera focuses, and it's not going to. There's a little nick in there, and that will go in. Some seeds are harder than others, as in the shell is harder. So this makes this bit a little bit more difficult. Lupin just want to escape, but they're fairly, that's better, they're fairly soft shelled, as it were. They do not need nicking, but with a soak overnight, a little nick isn't a bad idea. So that's why I'm doing half of them. Oops. They like to escape. So little. That is definitely nicked. So that now goes in. So these will now soak overnight, and then tomorrow I will sow them. And that's one version of scarification.